Hi, I'm Patrick McCullough, a director at Holden Advisors, and I'm excited to join you at the Professional Pricing Society's Fall Virtual Conference this October. Regardless of your industry, I think it's fair to say that we have all experienced significant changes in the way we do business and how we interact with our customers. Now, more than ever, it is critical that we get closer to our customers to understand their buying behavior. Don't get me wrong, internal data and analytics are still important inputs to inform our decision making, but they are simply not enough. Join my colleague Mike Canestra and I for our CPP course as we push past the boundaries of your internal data systems and challenge you to get out of your comfort zone to interact with your customers to better understand their buying behavior. Don't worry, we are going to provide you with a proven toolkit to help you on your journey. For more information, please log in to pricingsociety.com. I look forward to seeing you in October.